Urugari wa kiuteti uthiete na mbere na kuongerereka na o uria urahaica noguo ateti na atongoria angi maraga kunira kanwa ithege. Ni undu utumite honge igiri iria ihutanitie na kumenyerera watho na gutigirira ni warumirirwo na gutire mundu ratheremia rumena utekwerwo ikinya cunanire njung'wa. Honge ici ikihita kurutithania wira hamwe.
Indeed, I encourage those who have gone wrong to repent and mend their ways and become good citizens. I encourage that, and we have always encouraged that.
This country belongs to us all, and we must play our civic responsibility, regardless of our political positions. But from where we sit, I want to assure you, we are quite apolitical. We are not taking sides. We'll handle them as they come.
Honge icio ni ciageire kiene miari ati itikoretwo ikiruta wira na uigirireku, cikiuga uria ukurega gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya uiguithanio ni akuerwo ikinya irumu ria kiwatho. Abunge Moses Kuria na Kimani Wangũnjiri aria riu makinyite igoti-ini maroigite karothwa na mbiri matigwikinyia mbere ya kamiti iyo.
Ndikethigwa kaparoni gwika atia ama ninde mubunge wa parliament ni andike samoni aria igoti-ini aria bunge
igothie wote konathi siendi.
That's fine. If they don't want to come, they will be brought. So you choose whether to come or to be brought, because you will be held to account.
Ritana ria kamiti ya Kaparo ni ati muingi witheme ateti aria maracugira ngui niguo kirirembe kiria kirarirembuka kia rumena kihore na Kenya maikare na urumwe. Miario inyitetwo mbaru ni ateti matiganite othe makienda aria magunyitikana na mahitia macio moerwo makinya marumu.
It is not an honor to be labeled a country of impunity. We must fight this impunity and fight it hard. And this we are determined to do.
President enda gutongoria bururi kwagirire na njira ya maendeleo, njira ya thayu. Andu maramucokia na thutha, maramucokia na thi, makomucambithia mbere ya bururi. Ni twamera, let them watch, their days are numbered.
Kamiti ya kurehe iguithanio ni ikoretwo igitia hinya wa kurwa na miario ya kurehe rumena na iroiga magoti nimo mahotomagia wira wayo ati ni undu wa kuruta cioho nini na faini cia igoto. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Gitagwo Macharia wa Mogo.